Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. Today's job lead is non-phone chat email based, but before we get into it, if you're new here, this channel is all about finding the best work from home jobs available and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you're not subscribed to this channel already, what are you doing with your life? Make sure you subscribe and have those notifications turned on so you never miss another upload from me. And as always, all the jobs that I discuss are linked down in the description box below, so you can go straight to the application page and get those resumes and applications in. But with that being said, the huge web design company Squarespace, I know they have ads all over YouTube right now. They are hiring a customer support advisor. Now, this is remote work from home. This is for my United States folks only. A little caveat to this, they first say you need to be based on the East Coast in the Eastern Standard Time Zone, but then later in the job description it says you just have to be able to work the Eastern Time Zone hours. So make sure that the Eastern Time Zone hours will work for you. But if it will, they are looking for entry-level customer support advisors to work remote with the customer support team lead who is based on the East Coast. The start date is October 31st, 2022, and they are offering 2 weeks of paid training. So you have plenty of time to get those applications in. They are looking for someone to answer customer questions and queries in live chat and respond to customer submitted email requests. So this is chat and email-based customer service, non-phone. You'll independently guide customers through the process of getting started, which includes their website setup, adding site content, and design options. You'll independently meet targets that they have across the quality, production, and customer satisfaction in the email and live chat. You'll have to learn about new product features and improvements related to the Squarespace platform, and you identify any customer experiences and escalate any issues. Now, they are looking for someone who has open availability to work 40 hours a week, and that can include weekends and holidays. Someone who has 1 year of customer-facing experience in a similar role, like retail or hospitality, is like working in a hotel or something, online support, any kind of customer support. They only require 1 year. Someone who has great written communication and the ability to spot spelling and grammar errors. Someone who has proficiency in reading people and conversations, identifying the calls, and aligning on end goals. Now, unfortunately, pay is always dependent on location and experience, so they did not list pay. You will have to ask that at the time of the interview, but they do offer a benefit package including health insurance where they cover 100% of your premiums for you and your children, so that's completely free health insurance. They have retirement plans with employee match. It says flexible vacation and paid time off, and they also have education reimbursements. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.